your prayer.
I love you for the Lord is really come. I love you, Lord. It's incredible. I love you for the Lord. The Lord's good. I love you, my friend. My friend is my angel. I love you very much. And the day. Amen.
Very sweet. You want to say anything else to God?
Yes. I love you for the Lord. You are my friend. I love you. I love you. I love you. I hope you come back. Amen.
Where do you want God to come back from?
To heaven. Back there.
Back from heaven?
Yeah.
Well, is there any questions you want to ask God?
God, what are you doing?
What else do you want to ask Him?
No.